We've been to Button Moon and we follow Mr. Spoon, Button Moon. Well, boys and girls, let's see who's been a spoon today. And a warm welcome to one and all. And for those of you who've not seen me before, my name is Langers, and I am the little scruffy trader sitting in the dark. It's been a long day, and I want to have a little chat about something. Now, I've had a great day today. Now, I don't trade a great deal on a Monday, but all of the elements fell into place today, and I just wanted to share something with you, but also dispel something as well. Now, many of you know I'm a professional prop trader, trade for a living, and I'm going to show you some of my statements now. Now, there's not many people who do that, and I'm just in the process of finishing off for the night, just closing down some of my day trades, because, well, let's just say it's been a super day. And I was reading comments and one thing and another, and something flashed up about the 5%ers. Talking of things that flash up. Hello, Mother.
Scruffy.
That's all right. Sexy.
So when do I retire?
When are you going to put that bikini on? Tell you what, right?
Oh, here we go.
We'll do a deal.
I know what you're going to say. I know what you're going to say.
What?
When I put the gold bikini on, I can retire.
Yes.
I knew exactly what you were going to say.
Well, you can get into practice because we're going on holiday in January.
Hello.
I need a holiday. I desperately need a holiday. Caribbean's calling. Anyway, what was I saying? 5%ers. Sorry, I get sidetracked.
You have caused confusion and delay, and terrible trouble to my trousers.
The thing with these videos is, boys and girls, if you haven't been here before, nothing is ever scripted. I literally switch the camera on, grab a coffee, or Winky will come and bring me a coffee. That was Winky, by the way, my better half. And away we go. Because I am not a filmmaker. I don't think Hollywood will be calling anytime soon. But prop firms did. And a couple of other companies have. And that's why I work for them. Or I work alongside them, I should say, because I work for myself. Anyway, what am I rambling on about? This is getting silly. Slap yourself silly there, Scruff, and get on with it.
You know what I am? I'm a dog chasing cars. I wouldn't know what to do with one if I caught it.
Right. I'll turn the screens on, and I'll show you what the 5%ers are. I'll show you a comment I was making, or was made, and then I'm going to dispel it. And I'll back it up with a statement and what you're seeing that I've done today. And if you like what you're about to see, and you want to try the 5%ers, or if you are trading and you're struggling a little bit, go down in the description. You'll find my contact details. If you want the 5%ers, you get 5% off. If you're looking for a good broker, there's a couple of good brokers down there. Use the links and you'll get some good free education. Just trying to give you a bit of value, guys. So let's flick this over. What are the 5%ers? Well, they're a prop firm. They'll put the money up for you to go to market. You pay a small buy-in fee, which is essentially the original stop loss. If you make money, they make money. That's the business model. The beauty with this over other prop firms is you are live from day one. So the moment you go to market, you're making money. But the onus is on you. You must put the work in. And if you're good at what you do, you learn. So they have two versions. You have the boot camp, which is kind of an evaluation. It's a small buy-in. You do a couple of challenges and then you give you a 100k count. And it's €50 to buy in. It's peanuts. And if you evaluate it, you've got a whopping set of funding that would take you a long time to build up. Took me a long time. Then you've got the programs that I trade, which is these ones here. And again, it's a small buy-in. You've got plenty of time to achieve your profit targets. In this case, it's about 6 months. And you get paid constantly. If you double the account thereafter, or do 10% thereafter rather, they will double the account. And it moves up and up. Now, I trade accounts for these. The two that I'm going to show you is my £50,000 account, or $50,000. Do excuse me, I live in the UK, so I do talk in sterling. And the other one is an 80k account, which I was running it for 9 working days. And today, I put an extra 1,000 into it. And that's why I'm excited and why I'm going to show you this. So that's who they are and what they are. I'll let you find this. Like I say, there's a link in the description. It'll take you straight to this page. Now, the comment that came up was this one. You know, looks like a scam. Clearly, he's not read it, and he's not looked at what's going on. Now, the problem I have when I see things like that is it's an assumption based on their ability. And it's like most things, you know, if you can't do it, you shouldn't really comment on it, you know. I am no athlete. I might look like a sumo wrestler, but there's no way I'm getting in the ring with one, you know. Why? They'd knock the 7 bells out of me. They really would.
Oh, Jesus Christ, this diaper's making my nuts rub together. It's gonna start a fire!
But is that image and perception over ability? Possibly is, you know, because trust me, I've got a belly on me. Why? Too much good living, too much coffee, and I sit in a chair for pretty much 12 hours of the day.
You serious?
But why am I sort of using that as an analogy? Because it's very easy in this industry to point the finger. And the ones who point the finger are the ones who know the least. You know, and in fairness, it was articulate, and what he says to him might make sense. The part I took umbrage to was when it's called a scam, because it's clearly not. And I'm going to prove that right now. So if it's a scam, I pretty much wouldn't have pulled this much out of the markets today, you know. So after my commissions, that's 349 on that particular account, and on the other account is 338 in one day. All right, why? Because this is my job. It's what I do for a living. All right. Now, if I also flick this over and I show you my statements, again, you can see. Now, this is my 50,000 account. I've currently got a profit payout, as you can see, nicely waiting for me. Decent equity curve. My hit rate on over 1,000 trades, 1,077 trades, is 88%. Again, it's because it's my job. You know, I think if you have a low hit rate, you're nothing more than a gambler. You know, because you're not able to read the charts and see what's going on. And I have a profit factor on this particular account of 1.7, and it's supposed to be greater than 1. Anything over 1 is classed as profitable. So there's just one account that's paying me quite well. But I've got 2 of them. Where's the other one? That's that one. Oh, there we are. There's another one. Now this one is my 80,000 account. In 9 days, started this 9 days ago. I had gone through an evaluation, or I'll rephrase that. I was trading a 20,000 account. If you look through some of the videos, you'll see the statements on that account. It passed its milestone and it's moved up into 80,000. It's been built up. Okay, so from April this year, from small humble beginnings, I am trading with the 5% as 6 figures. Okay, and again, it has a healthy payout for this month, sitting waiting. On this particular account, 149 trades, 91% hit rate, and a profit factor of 11. Differences between the two accounts is one is done off longer term charts and the other one's off small term charts, but the principles are the same within them. Just you hold your trades a little bit longer in one than the other based on the candle length. So really, in summary, because it was a quick video to, I guess, endorse the 5%ers. Yeah, I think is the easiest way, and also endorse trading, because the industry gets a bad rap, and it gets a bad rap well because of this.
You ding dong! Personally, I think you're a fucking idiot.
Yeah, I've done this a long time, and I do okay. On average, off my own funds, I make, if I do 150 to 200 quid a day, I'm very happy. And all I'm doing with the 5%ers is mirroring what I do anyway. So this is money for old rope. But if you are pretty good at what you do, but you have a small amount of money, this is a way forward, because your buy-in is no different than how much you'll put into a broker. And they are very fair and they're very helpful. So when I see comments, as I've just seen, it doesn't sit well, because if I thought it was wrong, I would also say it's wrong, because there's plenty of prop firms out there I completely disagree with. I think their business models it's too tight. You need a little bit of leeway. These guys let you trade your way as long as you stick within the risk rules, and that's the key point, risk. And if you can't control your risk, you shouldn't be trading anyway. So that's kind of my take on this. Like I say, if you're stuck, the contact details are below. Check them out, but don't be afraid of them. Don't be afraid of trading. Keep it simple and you'll be fine. There's too many complicated systems out there and they're unnecessary. Think of it this way. I'll leave you this before I go. A market can only do 3 things. It's going to go up, it's going to go down, or it's going to go nowhere. So already you're 1 in 3 of getting it right. Put your levels either side of the price and you're now down to 1 in 2. And why is that? Because the price is going to hit one of them. Your job is then to figure out which one it's going to hit. And that's where your oscillators, your moving averages, your MACDs, your different little indicators come in. It's about top-downing your style and applying the right tool to the right job. And it's that simple, guys. It really is that simple. So there you go. Proof in the pudding that it is possible. And well, can't be any fairer than that. So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, and above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.